Hello and welcome to yet another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent from Rasasi series, which is Attar Al Boruzz. So this is a sample pack I have. So this is actually Attar Al Boruzz samples. So let me show you the samples now. So this is Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz and Lamat Musk Tabriz. So let me show you the samples. So this is the bottle. These are the bottles of their bottles are also very similar. I think they have these kind of rosy golden kind of caps. Today we are going to talk about Attar Al Boruzz series. This is a more feminine series. I would say it is more fruity towards more feminine. The other Oud Al Boruzz series was mostly, or one or two of them were mostly manly kind of perfumes for men mostly. So let's start with Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz. So it has some juice, so we are going to spray this one. Okay, so let's try to spray this. I normally don't like these kind of perfumes, but still let's see. Some sweet floral lemon, kind of bergamot or something very citric, very nicely done. Now it is mostly some floral, very high pitched floral, maybe lang lang or something like this. Oops, it's very spiky, so I might get a headache. Fruitiness is there. It's mostly floral and fruity, Jazeebiyat musk, and I think the musk would be in the background, and this is going to be white musk, I think. Fruitiness with some airy kind of florals. Very high pitched floral. It's, I think maybe jasmine is there, but I don't detect. Maybe jasmine, some lang lang or something like that, but it has very high pitched floral. So maybe for women it is a nice one. Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz. I think if they should have some musk, more musk in it rather than, you know, having this all fruity floral kind of impact. So one perfume I am remembering is from Perfume de Marle. That is also a woman's perfume, a feminine perfume. It has rhubarb in it. I think it has a pink bottle from Perfume de Marle. I don't remember the name. It is very similar to that or very close to that, in that same direction. Now it has some gourmand kind of florals, gourmand or candy kind of floral fruitiness. Now it has some balanced florals. Florals are a bit down now. Overall, a nice rounded perfume for women. Mostly floral and fruity. Fruity is in the background. Florals are high pitched in the start, then florals come in the background and fruitiness is more rounded. And this is all about Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz. Tabriz was a Sufi saint, I think in Iran, or I'm not sure. So Tabriz was a Sufi saint, and Jazeebiyat, I think, means to penetrate into the soul. Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz, very good name, but for me it is very really high pitched florals, which I really don't like. But if you like these kind of perfumes, we have white florals and have some, you can say, fruitiness in the background with some musk. This is for you. Now let's talk about Lamat Musk Tabriz. So this is the other one. Okay, so let's spray this one on a new strip. Let's see if it has some juice. Yes, luckily it has some juice. Start is fruity, very fruity. Gourmand kind of fruity, like you have entered shop with the vanilla cakes in it, something like that, with some fruits on top of that cake. Fruity, vanilla heavy. It doesn't have high pitched florals, but it is more in direction of gourmand kind of perfume. So it might have some musk in the background, but it feels like a kind of cake with a lot of vanilla cream on top of it, with some fruits on top of it. The smell you get from there, it is going to be similar to this one. It kind of reminds me some edible thing, maybe good for women, because on their skin it feels great. But on a man, I don't think this is going to work. Overall, I would say I don't like these kind of perfumes. Yes, there is some woodiness in the way back in the background, maybe some sandalwood, something like that, just to support it. Maybe some musk. Now it is getting a bit more interesting in the dry down. This Lamat Musk Tabriz. Nice gourmand, light woody kind of perfumes, a bit better after some initial spray. Overall, I think it is mostly fruity, gourmand kind of perfume that has some musk or maybe some wood at the background, very background. And that is all I can say about Lamat Musk Tabriz. This is my review about Lamat Musk Tabriz and Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz. I hope you have enjoyed this video if you are a woman watching this. I'm not sure about the longevity of these perfumes or lasting of these perfumes. Some complain about it, some says it is good on their skin, but mostly if they have a lot of naturals, they are going to last longer on your skin. Like Attar Al Boruzz series, its lasting was very few hours because it has more naturals. This one I think has more chemicals in it, or maybe more chemical based notes rather than naturals. Okay, so if you are a woman, I think you should try these. If you like gourmand kind of perfumes, gourmand with light woodiness, this is Lamat Musk Tabriz. This is for you. If you like some more fruity and floral kind of perfume, then Jazeebiyat Musk Tabriz is for you. So this is my humble review or opinion about these two. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I try to simplify the perfumes as much as I can. I don't try to detect florals like this is violet and this is something like this, because most of the people, they are not going to understand how a violet or how a labdamen actually smells. So I don't try to do that. I try to simplify things where you can easily simplify your choices on which one you should buy or which one you should not. So I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.